If the saying "aging like fine wine" had a physical manifestation in the form of a pair of headphones, the prime example would be the WF-1000XM3 from Sony. Released back in 2019, the headphones took the world by storm and have broken records in both audio quality and sales. Fast forward 4 years and it makes one wonder, how viable can these earbuds be in the year 2023? Should you go for one? Well, why don't we find out in our video today. When the users title something one of the best earphones on the market, you know there's something really good going on with a specific earphone. The WF-1000XM3 from Sony achieved exactly that back in 2019 while being one of the first TWS earbuds to spice up the headphone market. From that, there has been a ton of TWS earbuds similarly designed, but they all pay homage to the one earbud that paved the way, the Sony WF-1000XM3. With an objective to improve upon the features of the WF-1000, the WF-1000XM3 offers sound quality that's superior to a lot of modern-day earbuds and comes combined with a refined design and a ton of state-of-the-art features, such as a remarkable noise cancellation minus the aptX codec. The buds come with a sleek and sophisticated design with a pill-shaped build that helps to distribute the overall pressure all over the ear. And to eliminate ear fatigue even more, the buds come with a nice and broad selection of ear cushions that will fit pretty much anyone. For ANC, they imply two microphones that capture and reduce the external noise, resulting in noise cancellation that still holds up as a standard in 2023. However, with the company not saying anything about any IP rating, we'd advise caution regarding liquid hazards. Similar to its over-ear brethren, the buds come with integrated touch controls on each earbud, where double tapping the left cup alternates between ANC and ambient mode, while double tapping the right cup helps to change the music. OK Google compatibility recognizes your voice from the get-go while giving you a bunch of accessibility options through the dedicated app from Sony. For the hardware, the WF-1000XM3 features the new QN1E processor that was designed to provide Sony's signature ANC. The processor works with 24-bit audio signals while maintaining power consumption, resulting in a battery that performs better in comparison to the previous version. The case holds the buds in a place magnetically and, in our opinion, one of the most visually distinctive cases ever made, period. For the sound quality, in summary, it sounds almost like its over-ear counterpart, the WH-1000XM3, and considering we're comparing the sound from a pair of earbuds to the sound from a full-blown over-ear headphone, that's a statement in itself. The audio you'll get is perfect regardless of your preferred genre of music and is filled with richness in all frequency spectrums. With easy instrumental separation, the buds excel in offering a sense of dynamics and make the most subtle details noticeable without any distortion at high volume, mind you. Now for function and connectivity, the WF-1000XM3 works with Bluetooth 5.0 alongside NFC, integrated support for Google Assistant, and comes equipped with DSEE-HX technology that works wonders with compressed audio formats. The buds do pretty well in terms of phone calls as well, courtesy of built-in microphones. Now, if there's one thing that makes us notice a layer of time on this pristine pair of buds, it's the lack of support for aptX and LDAC codecs. The app is more than useful as you can easily access the equalizer and make a choice between better sound quality or a better Bluetooth connection as you prefer while having a solid grip over the levels of noise cancellation. Alongside, you'll also get full control of ambient sounds, which is just a prime option to tinker with in order to get along with city noises. Being a 2019 earbud, the WF-1000XM3 also comes with adaptive sound control tech that automatically adjusts the level of ANC for you based on your environment, being easily comparable with the likes of legendary Bose Quiet Comfort lineup and premium Sennheiser earbuds. In terms of runtime, Sony easily gives the likes of Apple and Sennheiser a run for their money, since with ANC you'll be getting up to 6 hours of playback and 3 additional charges from the case. The case is also quick charge compatible and 10 minutes will bank you a total of 90 minutes of playtime, making the battery status hold up even in 2023. In summary, the WF-1000XM3 from Sony is a statement on how far a company can go if they're dedicated to their work and combine their passion. The buds offer excellent sound quality with features that'll easily make you forget it's a 2019 earbud. The battery can be considered as one of the best in the market and it's relatively comfortable to wear. Apart from the small fact that they don't come with support for the aptX codec, there's hardly anything negative to say about these buds, which makes them a prime pick even for someone who's looking for a decent pair of earbuds in 2023. So that was a video on why the Sony WF-1000XM3 is still viable in the year 2023. Do you own a pair or are you planning on getting one? Do let us know as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and then hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.